introducing 2000 and also subjects were introducing 2002. So the alignment of both the curriculum, the previous and the current curriculum, was the main consideration while we were developing these lesson plans. So first of all, we should understand that what is an SLO. Whenever you go somewhere, the students, the teacher, and the person who is related to education, he must know what is my document. And for teacher, the most important document is curriculum. And the structure of curriculum you will be watching on the multimedia projector screens. And in the National Curriculum 2006, the first level is competency. And the second is standard. The third one is SLO. SLO means student learning outcome. And if I ask you that what do you understand by SLO, can anyone help me to sort out the definition of SLO? I need your help to elaborate that what is SLO. If some teacher, what do you understand by this thing? No, this is a thing, but this is a statement. But what does it mean? 1%.
How much students have gained from their lesson?
Okay. This is a target. An SLO is a target which our teacher should gain through his lesson. If I know, being a teacher, if I know my target, this is my SLO, that the student should learn in this session single digit plus or single digit addition, then I can go to the classroom very confidently and have an interactive session with my students that this is the process. First of all, the concept is given by us through SLO. Three things in every reading or in every session or in every classroom session should be done. First, the conceptual clearance. Second, the procedure knowledge. And third, the problem solving. The concept is a single digit addition. And then I have to show the students that this is the procedure. That 2 plus 2 is 4, 3 or what? Or 1. If I am adding something and the things are increasing in numbers, it means that I am giving them the concept of addition. So I have to give them the procedure. And then after teaching or after having some chit-chat or some interactive session, I have to give them some problem. Okay, now this is the 2 things which you have to add. And if they solve that problem, it means that I am successful 100% on that SLO. That my students can now do single digit addition very confidently. And if 50% of my class can do that, then I am 50% successful on that SLO. So we must know that what is the thing, what is the target, and the target is our SLO. In National Curriculum 2006, there are 5 competencies in English, which tell us that what is the key learning area. Let's suppose that these 5 are dealing with thinking skill, writing skill, oral communication, listening and speaking, both came over here. Oral communication, lexical aspect of language, and social and ethical norms. These are 5 competencies. For the elaboration of these competencies, that how we achieve these competencies, they grade 4 and grade 5. Let's suppose that a student is learning ABC in grade 1. Then in grade 2, what he will be learning? Will you guess? Can you guess what he will be learning? In grade 2, if he is learning ABC in grade 1.